Spring rain falls like transparent silk, threading through the quiet courtyard where your shadow once stands. I close my eyes and step into the rain. It feels like the touch of your laughter, shivering against my skin. Some loves remain gentle forever, even when distance has grown fierce. The moss on the old stone seals our memories, soft as the whispered promises we made. Every droplet feels like a message, a small reminder that love, even wounded, keeps breathing. I lift my face to the sky and let the rain my heart. Where your shadow blooms in spring rain, I find the courage to remember. Even if you're 1,000 miles of storms away, I still choose to stand here in the season you once loved, believing the rain will bring you back, drop by drop, heartbeat by heartbeat. Under the eaves I gather the fragrance of wet earth and your old embraces. Love is never loud, it lives in the softest corners, in the pauses between breaths. Tonight I offer the rain my quiet devotion, and it accepts without questioning. When spring finally breaks open, I'll keep a space beside me for the moment your shadow